Good day and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to be learning how to make use of the min and max function. So the min and max function are used to pick out the lowest and highest values within a column, within a set of values. So in this case now, we have the total sales column and we want to know the highest number of sales for the month. We want to know the highest and the lowest sales for the month. So let's start right there. Let's start with the max function. So we type in the formula equal to max. We type in max and hit we double click. You can see it returns the largest value in a set of values. So this max function is going to return the largest value in this set of values. We double tap and then we drag in all the figures in this column and hit enter. You can see the highest sale for that month is 180, and this 180 came from water bottle sales. So water bottle actually contributed to the revenue pool the most for the month. So let us look at the mean value now, the lowest sale for the month, mean. So we type in the function mean, double click, then drag in the data and hit enter. So we have 30 there and 30 there. So the lowest sales for the month also came from egg. So eggs actually was actually the least sold item for the month. So this is actually useful for us to track the best performing item, especially with regards to sales, and we can also use it to track our salespersons to know who is making the highest sales or who is making the lowest sales, So thank you. This is all we have for this video.